Welcome to Beautyistic. Now, we all know the importance of maintaining a solid oral care routine, but how many of us are looking for a more convenient and effective solution? Well, if you're in the market for a portable, easy-to-use, and high-performing water flosser, then today's review might just have the answer you're looking for. Let's talk about the PURSONIC Mario Lopez Rechargeable Water Flosser. This flosser combines the precision of a water pick with the power of a toothbrush to deliver a deep clean that's perfect for sensitive teeth. Featuring a sleek, compact design and 360-degree flossing capability, it promises to target all those hard-to-reach areas around your braces, crowns, and bridges. Whether you're at home or traveling, this flosser ensures you're never far from the benefits of a thorough dental care routine. Before we dive into my thoughts, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's explore how this product stands up to its promises. The PURSONIC Mario Lopez Rechargeable Water Flosser is a USB rechargeable cordless device designed to help you maintain excellent oral hygiene at home or on the go. It boasts a 7.5-ounce water tank, which is compact yet holds enough for a thorough flossing session. Its 360-degree rotating head ensures that every angle of your teeth and gums gets attention, helping you clean those tricky spots that a traditional toothbrush or floss might miss. This flosser offers 3 distinct modes: soft, normal, and pulse. This versatility is fantastic for catering to different oral care needs. Whether you're simply refreshing your gums or giving them a deeper clean, these modes allow you to customize your experience. The pulse mode even massages your gums, which is an added bonus for anyone looking to improve gum circulation and health. Now, on to my experience with this product. I've used it for a few weeks now, both at home and while traveling. I was particularly impressed with how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. The compact size is ideal for those of us who don't have a ton of counter space or who need something portable. It's not overly bulky, and the water tank, though small, provides just enough capacity for a good clean without needing constant refills. The real test came when I compared it to my usual flossing routine. The 360-degree rotation was a game changer, allowing me to get to areas I usually struggle with, like the backs of my molars. And if you have sensitive teeth or gums, this flosser's soft mode is a blessing. It's gentle, but still incredibly effective at removing plaque and debris. On the downside, the water tank size is a bit limiting for those who prefer long, thorough flossing sessions without needing to refill. Additionally, the flosser can be a bit noisy on higher settings, which might be off-putting for some users, but it didn't bother me too much. So, what's the bottom line? Pros include its compact design, versatility with 3 modes, and the added gum massage feature, which makes it a fantastic tool for gum health. It's also super convenient for travel, making it a great option for anyone who's always on the go. Cons would be the slightly smaller water tank and the noise on higher settings, which might not be ideal for some. Is it worth the price? I think so. For the quality, ease of use, and features it offers, this product gives great value for its price. It might not be the cheapest flosser on the market, but it's certainly one of the most convenient and effective for the money. Now let's talk alternatives. There are other water flossers out there, like the Waterpik Cordless Advanced or the Philips Sonicare Air Floss, which offer similar features. However, those tend to be a bit bulkier and not as travel-friendly as the PURSONIC Mario Lopez flosser. So if portability is your priority, this one stands out. In terms of build quality, I was pleased to see that the materials felt durable, and I didn't notice any signs of wear or breakage after a few weeks of use. The USB charging feature is convenient, and the battery life lasted me several days before needing a recharge, which is great for those always on the move. So, is this product a hit or miss? If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and effective water flosser that's perfect for sensitive teeth and gums, this one is definitely worth considering. It may not be the most powerful or have the largest water tank, but for what it offers and its portability, it's a solid choice for anyone wanting to step up their oral hygiene game. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the comments if you're interested in picking this up. Have you tried this water flosser? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.